Test Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to make mini index cards, which are scrap busters. But first, let's have a shout out to Happy Curmudgeons, Debbie, Sylvia, Joyce, Sue, Vanna, Tina, Laura, and Dora. Thank you so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, we all know how to collage, right? This is the scrap busting part of this. So sometimes every now and again I'll get my coffee dyed paper and I'll get my watered down school glue and my brush, and I will pull out my drawer that has my scraps and I just start collaging. And then after they're dry, I like to iron them to make them nice and flat. So, ooh, look at this one. It's all the book pages and creams and whites, and so it doesn't have any. This is those stamped tissue paper that we did in one of our videos. All right, you guys, so let's just select one here. Let's see, which one do I want? I want this one. So I am going to go use my guillotine, and I'm going to cut these to be 4 inches by 3 inches. All right, I've got them all cut here. Let's see how they turned out. Pretty cute. All right, so now what I'd like to do is, the little pieces, if you have any left, you'll want to use that for your tabs for this project. So let's just go ahead and punch us out a couple of tabs here. Just like that. I don't know if I can get another one out of here. Maybe sideways I can. Maybe if I take this tip off, I can get it in here. Let's see if we can make it work. Yes, we can. Right there. Okay. Now I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to go ahead and round the corners of these little mini index cards that we're going to make. They're so cute. And using up our scraps, we absolutely love that, because I think scraps multiply. When you shut the drawer, shut the bag, shut your lights out, when you're gone, they must multiply. Okay. Almost finished. Just a little bit more. Now, dust off. I've got those everywhere. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to decide which way these are going to go and select a tab to place on them. I also have done some earlier. So let's see, here's a pretty blue one. This doesn't have any blue in this one. I might like to do a blue one maybe. Oh, I think this one is so pretty. That one right there. Okay. We're just going to do a couple of them here. How about those 3, I mean. Let's work on these. So I've got that would be so pretty on there. And let's see, what other tab? Book page, music. I kind of like that one. That one's pretty with that one. I like that one. So they all need one to be backed. And then what I'm going to need to do is go ahead and ink all of this all the way around and on all of these. And then I am going to sew around the edge. You know how I like to sew. I'm going to sew all the way around the edge, and then I'll show you how I decorate these. All right, I've got them inked. I've got them all sewn around the edge. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. On this one, I have got a few things. I thought maybe we could add something like this on here. Let's see here. Let's just give it a shot. That's pretty cute on there. It's a bunch of lace. It needs to be hot glued though, doesn't it? And I thought we could add this. Might be too big though. Add this little teacup in yellow, but I need to cut around the handle here. Cut this part out. There, got that teacup handle cut out. Now let's ink around the edge. Just like that. So pretty. Such a pretty color of yellow. I think it'll go nicely with this. Let's put it over here at the side. And then let's ink this little label up. Now let's see. This is what is that called? A Trace of Sparkle. That's where that came from. And this label is a Trace Fox label. Let's put that right underneath. Get my handle back out. There. That's so cute. I've got a pink bow here. I'm not sure. Oh, I think that would be pretty right there at the bottom. Maybe we don't need that other piece of lace that I got out, that corner snippet that I made in one of my other videos. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? That's adorable. That's adorable. Okay, so now let's see. Let's bring in this one, and let's see. I've got a little birdie, a blue birdie, because there's blue on this one, and I have a blue label and a little bow. Now I also have some fabric ruffle. So let's see if we stick. How about if we just put it right here at the top? Maybe something like that. Possibly something just like that, or maybe at the bottom. Where do I want this? Put that, set the birdie in it. Let's see. That's kind of cute. All right, so I think we need the bird down first. And then I think we need the label. Whoa. Get the label down. Then we're going to need to put our fabric down. Right here. Oh, that's cute. And how about a little bow? This is a Shabby Dabby Doodah bow. Tracy Fox label. And a touch of sparkle. Is that what that's called? A trace of sparkle. Oh, isn't that cute? That's so sweet. All right, one more. I've got a little butterfly, swallowtail butterfly here. I'm just going to gently ink around the edge. And I've got a label that is green edged. And I have a little blue bow. Whoops. Okay. And I also would like to grab my bling, because I think this needs a little bit of bling. So let's put our label down first. I think that's what needs to go on the bottom. Put our label right here. Sorry about that dog barking. And the dogs have been barking this afternoon. I don't know what's upsetting them, but something is upsetting the dogs. Okay. And I'm going to slip it just like that, I think. Yeah, so one wing is kind of on the top and one is on the bottom. And then where do I want this bow? I thought I wanted this bow somewhere. Where do I want this bow? Maybe just right down there at the bottom. How about that? About turned, maybe. Like that. Now, what color of bling shall we put in the middle? How about a pearl? I think that would be nice. And I'm just going to grab a pen so I can get it off of the card here. Piece of plastic. There we go. And get that on there. And get this one on there. And one more. There, that's pretty. I really like that one. You guys, I love how these turned out. They're going to be adorable for our journals, and it's a nice way of using up our scraps. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. You guys, I absolutely loved being with you this time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.